traders. We got a fresh new week ahead of us, a fresh new month ahead of us. Markets are down. Let's look at the SPY here. Market is 0.17% below last week's close. Last Friday's session was, a gap down, and then it chopped around at the lows. If we look at the daily here, we broke through the 200 SMA last week, and this morning we gapped down pre-market, and now we're climbing up a little bit. I think the market opens, and we might get a bounce today. This thing's been dropping for a while, so I think we're due for a bounce maybe. We got a jobs report coming out this Friday, so that should help if it's good. Let's look at our market movers this morning. On the move this morning, we got CNC down over 8%, 413,000 traded this morning. TSLA, that one's in a critical area. This thing is down at the lows, so we might see newer lows this morning, or it might bounce. That'll be in play this morning. AMD, this thing's almost 600,000 traded this morning. So we got a few here to work with. Nothing I really love. I don't see nothing here that really excites me, but you never know. So let's go do it. I'm going to take a short on Facebook right here at the ask if we can get in. This looks great here for a short. All right, we're in. We're in at 173.45. Day looks pretty good for shorts. Things have been downtrending for a while. It is above the 200 SMA, well above it. But intraday gap's down, and it flushes right away. Now it's forming a base down here. The only thing I don't like is the market. The market is climbing. But I don't think this thing's going to listen to the market today. Stop loss will be over 174.50, and target will be around 173.50. But if the market keeps climbing like that, I'm going to get out of this earlier. Facebook, all right, looks good here. We're probably going to come out of this as soon as it gets below the lows here, just because of the market. The market's on fire. I don't like that. But it is really close to the lows here, so I think we got one more push down. Here it comes. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to take this right here. That stinks. I marketed it, and it shot right up. I got slippage. It was all the way down. It would have been like 50 cents, but that's all right. I'll take that. Just because of the market. This market is on fire here, so that's all right. I'll take that. We took about, 25 cents or so. Just got an FDX here. I'm not sure if I was recording. I think I was, but I'm not sure. But daily looks great for a short. It's been downtrending for a while. Intraday it gaps down, but all the dippers came in and blasted it up to 153.50. Now it's taking a turn. I'm thinking this will go down to about 150, 150, and that's what we'll take it. Stop loss will be around 153.50, about a point in each direction. But the market was climbing. It was climbing good, but it's starting to tip a little bit. FDX, we got no volume in this now. I don't like that. FDX, looks like it's working out here. Well, that entry, so let's take a look at this thing up close. I think once it cracks this area here, we should get a nice flush down. Once we crack, here we go. Here we go. It's looking good here. All right, we'll try to take this here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out. Not what I wanted, but it started to slow down. I'm looking at the volume. Volume is down. But we took almost 50 cents out of that. We'll take that. Look at Facebook. Look at this thing. We got out of this at 173. It dropped $3 more, and I only took nothing from it. 25 cents I took from this when I could have taken so much more. Look at all that meat on that bone that I left behind. We're going to take Apple right here for a long. Setup looks great. All right, we're in. We're in at 177.52. Look at this thing. It opens and it blasts off. Then it has a major dip because of the market. But now it's coming back up. Daily does not look good, though. This thing's been downtrending for a while. But it needs an up day. And it could be today. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Target, I like it well over 178. And stop loss will be below 177 area. It's looking okay here. I think it pops over this 177.50 and continues up to 178. But I got to keep an eye on the market, because if the market doesn't climb here, this thing ain't going to climb either. So if the market does not climb soon, I'm going to come out of this. You know what? I am going to come out of this right here. I don't like it. All right, we're out. No, we're not out. Well, with 100. All right, I'm going to push this down. I don't like this here. All right, we're out. We're out with, we took about a 35-cent loser on that. The market does not look healthy. So this is going to take this stock down. There'll be a good size drop if the market drops right here. Apple is really trying to climb here, but the market isn't. The market's giving out. I see a lot of other stocks just dropping, so that tells me the market's going to drop, so we got to get out of Apple. Maybe we'll try it back in a little bit. We're going to go long bynd here at the bid if we can get hit. All right, we're in. I like how the market is dropping, and this thing don't care. This stock doesn't care that the market is dropping, so I'm thinking this thing is going to go over 107. So we'll take it around 107. Stop loss will be around 105.50. Daily looks great. Look at this thing. This thing's been on fire, on fire. But this thing has a big spread, so you got to be careful with this thing. It's up so much you don't have too many bag holders in it. Market's dropping and it's not really affecting it. So we'll see if we can get it over 107, and then that's what we'll take it. All right, bynd, it's looking good here. All right, we're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out of 100. A little bit more. All right, nice. Nice, I'll take that. I was going to wait a little bit longer, but I get a little scared with the market dropping this much. So we got about, what is that, about 70 cents, close to it. And it's probably going to go higher, but the market, look at that thing. That thing is just not looking too healthy. There is a nice bottoming tail there. Apple, we're going to take this for a long right here, second trade on it. If we can get hit here. All right, we're in. We're in at 176.17. Second trade on it. We got out of it earlier, exactly 1 point overhead. We got out of it at 177.17. And we're getting in at 176.17. All right, here we go. Maybe we can get back what we lost on it. I'll take another 50 cents, maybe a little bit more. Market is waking up. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Stop loss will be below 175.75 area. And target, I like it at least up to 176.75. Keep an eye on the market. If the market tells me to stay in it, we'll stay in it. As soon as the market says get out, we'll just get out. Just got out of Apple at 176.57. I think on this candle right here, I thought I was recording, but I'm having issues with my recorder today. But we just got out of it. I wanted it a little bit more, but the market does not look good to me. I think the market's just going to turn around and go down, and that's really going to dictate where Apple goes today. We took about a 40-cent winner on that, close to 40 cents. FDX, we just got in this just a little bit ago. I wasn't recording, but we got in on the breakdown here. Market was going down, so we're like, all right, let's take this. It looks good here. It looks good here down to below 152.50. I'm thinking right around 152.25 area. That's we'll take it. Stop loss will be around 153.50, but it looks good here. It climbed. We took it earlier, and we took a small win at the open here on a short, and then it blasted off, came down, tested this area, bounced it again, tested it on the second time. We're like, oh, this thing's going to drop. So we're in it now. We're going to see if we can ride this down for a little bit. But the volume is low. That's why I got out of it the first time, but it didn't affect the movement of the stock. It's still moving well. So I figured I'll try it again. Market is dropping, so we got tailwind. Looks good. Let's see if I can ride that down to 152.25 area. If not, we'll take it at the 50 here if it doesn't want to continue downtrending. To see it below, oh, here it is. You know what? We're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. I want a little bit more, but that's okay. I'll take that. 50 cents, a little over 50 cents. 55 cents or so. Oh, and look, it's still dropping. I should have held down for a little bit. It had nice momentum to the downside, but the volume was shriveling up. So we're going to call it a day there. We're up 278. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 winners and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on BYND and our loser on Apple. Thanks for watching.